How to log in and play multiple accounts on Brawl Stars. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log in and play into multiple accounts in Brawl Stars. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, you need to open up your Brawl Stars application, and before that you need to have more than 2 or 3 Supercell ID. In order to do that, you may just go to Supercell in one of your browser. After that, create your Supercell ID with your Google account, and what you're gonna do is here, after you come in here, and if you have logged in one of your Supercell ID into your Brawl Stars, what you're gonna do is simply hit on this menu bar at the top right. After that, you'll be able to see Supercell ID option at the bottom. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, you should be able to see your profile here. So what you're going to do is simply click on settings here. After that, you just need to scroll down a bit until you are able to see logout option. Just simply click on logout, tap on logout. After tapping on logout, you'll be logged out of that particular page. So here you are able to see login and play without. You're just going to click on login option. After clicking on login option, here you can see this login into Supercell ID. Here you can see the switch account option. Just tap on login to Supercell ID and use another Supercell ID in order to log in into your Brawl Stars application. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to log in into Brawl Stars using your Supercell ID with multiple accounts. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.